from OTeedo is a 2400 lumens, 24 watt schooner. 3 levels of lighting, 3000, 4500, 6000. It comes with an instruction manual, comes nicely packaged in plastic. Everything that you need to hang up. It's made of plastic and light metal. It has the wire nuts, anchors, and screws. Washers as well. For our indoor demonstrations only, turning on the light. It lights up the first color in a warm or cool Kelvin, switching off and turning on to the next Kelvin, which is the low Kelvin, 3000, off and on to the medium, 4500 Kelvin, back off and on to the bright, 6000 plus Kelvin. A wall switch is needed to change the levels of lighting. We're going to go outside and hang this light up and show you what it looks like in the evening hours. Remove the top set screw off. Turn around and remove the bottom set screw off. Carefully slide the case out. And remove the side set screws for the brackets off. And remove the bracket and hang up. Find a location that you have your AC, by a wall, by the door, by the boatyard, by the shed and more, and place on your bracket with the holes side to side. And start to lock down. With the light, you're going to now hook up your leads with your wire nuts. Match load for load, neutral for neutral, ground for ground. Place leads in and place the brackets on with the screws and lock down. Place on the outer shell and place back the screws. The OTeedo 24 light, lit up in the evening hours, walking paths, doorways, and more. We'll show you what the light looks like lit up, so you have a decision if this light may be for you. With the OTeedo schooner, defaults on to one of the Kelvins, and when you shut it off, it will be on that Kelvin. It is a manual Kelvin by switching down and off to the Kelvin you like. As we show you here, shutting off, on, off, on, off, and leaving off for a number of seconds, it'll go to that Kelvin. So if you're looking for a schooner to decorate your door, put 1, put 2, on the side of the house, on the wall above a garage, by a gazebo, boatyard, warehouse, wherever you need to have lighting. These schooners will light up the area and present a nice characteristic to your landscape. If you're looking for 3000 Kelvin, this is what the light looks like in 3000 Kelvin, as well as 4500 Kelvin and 6000 Kelvin. Thank you for viewing.